Hey guys, welcome to our channel Peppy Family. Guys, if you are living in Bay Area or visiting Bay Area, California for a short period of time, also if you are a wildlife enthusiast and looking for a day trip, I recommend visiting Safari West. Safari West is located about 1.5 hour drive from San Francisco in the heart of wine country.
Hi Peppy family, I am going to safari.
So let's get started and experience this journey through my lens. Discover wildest Africa at Safari West. Not only kids, even adults gonna love this place. At Safari West, you will find a variety of wildlife like wild beasts, romping rhinos, and towering giraffes. From ring-tailed lemurs to the dazzling zebra, nearly 900 animals from over 90 unique species roam through the 400-acre preserve. If you have children who are under 4 years old, you are not allowed to take the shared jeep tour. However, you can always book the private jeep tour, which costs more, or you can take only walking tour. There is a small cave inside the Safari West where you can purchase beverages and snacks. However, if you are looking for dining options, you need to make meals reservations as part of safari or overnight reservation. There is also an option of spending a night in the tents at Safari West. You need to book in advance at safarywest.com.
That means they have a 4-chambered stomach. That means they process their food a whole lot different than how you and I process food. We have a lot of teeth. We get food in our mouths, we chew that stuff up, break it down, swallow it, goes into our tummies. Typically doesn't come back up, just starts looking around for the other way out. That's not what ruminants do. Giraffes, they don't have a lot of teeth. They have a bottom row and they got a little bit in the back of their mouth. So what they use, those tongues, those long, they're prehensile. That means those tongues can grip a hold of grasses and leaves. They have a lot of pigment on it. The pigment is to protect the tongue. Giraffes eat 70 pounds of food every day. Their tongues are out of their mouth most of the day. They don't want to burn their tongue off. And so what they do with that tongue then is reach out and grab leaves and grasses, pull that food into their mouth, roll it and compress it into a cud. They don't use their teeth a lot. Swallow the cud down that 7-foot long neck, goes into their 4-chambered stomach, it will get processed there, and then she'll regurgitate it back up in their mouth again and repeat that process over and over again until she breaks down 70 pounds of food, which is why giraffes spend over 3/4 of their life on diet. Most of their day and night has to be trying to put food in their bellies or in their mouths and get it down into their bellies and process it out.
And what do they eat here?
So lots of straw, lots of alfalfa straw, lots of alfalfa pellets, get some sweet feed, to get some treats every once in a while. About 15, 16-year-old rhinos. They can live mid to late 40s, so they're fairly young. They're full grown for the most part. They're about 7,000-8,000 pound animals. So they have what's called satellite hearing. So that means that those ears move independently of each other. That's how because they have horrible eyesight, because they have little eye and a long optical nerve. So they use their hearing and their sense of smell to figure things out. The rhino populations, as you know, the biggest problem for the rhino is the horn. There's a cultural belief out there that the horn has medicinal value to it.
charge at humans because they see them as a threat?
So what they do exactly, out on foot. We can sit this close to them in the vehicle because this isn't threatening to them.
Yeah.
If you get out, it changes up their dynamics. They're not our pets. We don't treat them like pets. We don't feed them by hand. We don't scratch behind their ears. If we have to fill their feeders up, and there's 4 zebras behind you that are making their way over to you right now, by the way. So they do actually breed zebras, donkeys, zebras, horses together. They're called, or zebras. They call them zebras. Zebras or zebras. The horse zebra is called a hebra or zorse, and the donkey is called a zedonk or a zonkey.
What's the benefit of?
I have no idea. Honestly, I don't know why, other than maybe they believe that they're going to breed out some of that aggressiveness by breeding it with a domesticated animal. It doesn't work. It doesn't happen. They're weird animals. They're a lot of times sterile. They don't live very long. They're not very healthy animals. That's a hybrid. That's not a very healthy hybrid typically. Yeah. So I don't really know. I've seen them before. They look weird. They look a little bit like a horse. They look a little bit like a zebra. They got a little bit of faint striped patterns to them. I don't know why they did it. Really don't.
Watch the continuation of this video in part 2, which covers exclusively the walking tour. Thank you.